strong social state that cares for all, builds a future where none shall fall. We need democracy and a social state, a framework that protects before it's too late, guarding human rights as our highest creed. For a just and fair society is the hope we need. Let's honor the legacy of peace and unity, embracing law and compassion as our community. When every voice is valued and none are left behind, our strength is found in justice and a caring state of mind. Stand firm on principles that bind us tight, our basic law and human rights shining bright. Against all odds, together we create a future where freedom and justice truly resonate. We need democracy in the social state, a framework that protects before it's too late, guarding human rights as our highest creed. For a just and fair society is the hope we need. Every law and promise we uphold protects our shared dream, courageous and bold. United in spirit, our vision will not fade. True democracy's our foundation in every choice we've made. We need democracy and a social state, a framework that protects before it's too late, guarding human rights as our highest creed.